In this video, I'm going to show you how to dismantle old rack mount equipment for project cases and parts. This is an old effects unit that sounds really outdated and has seen better days. I'm going to strip it down because I need a chassis for the control board for an upcoming CNC project. Step 1, remove the main chassis screws. Step 2, pry the cover off of the unit. It has 3 tabs. Apply gentle pressure to dislodge the cover at all 3 points. Don't use too much force or you could bend the metal. The top is off, unharmed. Turn the unit so that the screws holding the control assemblies can be reached. Step 3, remove the control assembly screws. Now that the control assemblies are loose, we turn the unit around to reach the nuts on the 1/4-inch input jacks. Step 4, remove the nuts. This unit has plastic nuts that are only finger tight. Attempting to tighten them beyond finger tight will result in breakage. Now I check to see if anything else is holding the circuit boards inside the unit. Nothing else is holding it, so now the main board has to be slid forward so the 1/4-inch jacks can slip out of the case. The circuit boards come out completely unharmed. Look at all those components. Speaking of components, subscribe so you don't miss Thursday's video on sourcing components and making money with electronics. I now have an empty chassis for my CNC project. This is the same basic method I used to strip the chassis I used for the PA1 DIY tube preamp project. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.